So, again, we kind of touched base on that. I've got the ability to program a basic, a very simple program in here, right? Or a very complicated program, depending on how you want to do it, depending on the needs of your customer, right? The programming environment is wide open. We haven't restricted anything, right? I've tried to give you an overview so that you can see, okay, these are your basic steps. Now you can start diving deeper. Every time I've asked the engineers, I said, can we do, and I've come up with something. They said, oh, of course, here's how you do it. And then they've thought 2 or 3 levels deeper than that. Right? So it blows me away. The only time that they've said no to me was, can I open an app inside of this app? And they said no, and again, it's a limitation of Apple. All right? So we got some pretty advanced programming tools in here that you can use or not. Depends on how you want to do it, what you want to do.